How to fix TikTok not opening on iPhone. Having trouble opening TikTok on your iPhone? It could be caused by an app glitch, outdated software, or network issues. In this video, I'll show you several solutions to fix the problem. First, offload the TikTok app. Open Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Find and select TikTok, tap Offload App, and confirm. Then tap Reinstall App. If TikTok still won't open, try updating the app. Open the App Store, tap Search, and search for TikTok. If an update is available, tap Update. Next, check for an iPhone software update. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it and check TikTok again. Finally, you can reset your network settings. Go to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm. After your iPhone restarts, open TikTok and check if the problem is fixed. And that's how you can fix TikTok not opening on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.